Let's explore how we can cultivate peace and joy by expanding our hearts and compassion. Imagine this. You pour a handful of salt into a cup of water. That water becomes undrinkable, right? You cannot drink that water because it's overwhelmed by the salt. But what if you pour that same amount of salt into a river? The water remains clean, pure, and refreshing. Why is that? The river is vast. It has the capacity to impress, absorb, and transform the salt without being overwhelmed by it. Similarly, when our hearts are small and closed, even minor irritations or challenges can make us suffer, like the salt in the cup. We become overwhelmed by the actions or words of others, and we can't find peace. But when our hearts expand, just like the river, we become more spacious, more open to accepting others as they are. We begin to embrace people's shortcomings, their imperfections, their struggle, without feeling threatened or needing to change them. And in doing so, we allow compassion and understanding to flow naturally through us. Isn't that vastness that we find peace? Buddhism teaches us that suffering comes not from others, but from the narrowness of our own mind. When we cultivate a heart as vast as a river, we transform our suffering into understanding and our angers into compassion. And that's when true change begins, not by demanding it from others, but by creating the space for transformation to happen on its own. When we accept life as it is, when we accept people as they are, peace is no longer something we chase. It becomes something we carry within us. May your heart expand like the river, vast and compassionate. Thank you so much.